Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car DVR mirror dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car DVR mirror dashcam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 12-inch Rearview dashcam. Specifications: brand name, WiFi carry. Power source, corded electric. Display, IPS. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 9.88. Chipset manufacturer, all-winner. Frames per second, 120. Number 4 is 2K car DVR dashcam. Specifications: brand name, no N name _ null. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MPEG-4 TS. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. GPS logger, external. Power source, corded electric. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, all-winner. Frames per second, 30. As the item number 3 we've selected, OBJPEAK A8. Specifications: brand name, OBJPEAK. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 4. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 11.26 inches. Chipset manufacturer, all-winner. Frames per second, 30. Number 2 is car DVR Otis Rearview mirror. Specifications: brand name, ImageBond. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. View angle, 105 degrees - 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 800 mega. Interface, AV-in, micro SD, TF. Chipset manufacturer, Rackchip. On the top of our list at number 1 we have camera rearview mirror. Specifications: brand name, OBJPEAK. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. GPS logger, external. Interface, AV-in, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Rear camera, 2160 by 1440p, 2K. Camera lens, IMX415.